In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a print button in Mozilla Firefox so you can print pages faster with just one click. This is a simple customization that can save you time every day, especially if you print documents, articles, receipts, or web pages often. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, look at the top area near your tabs or search bar. You'll want to right-click on a blank space in that toolbar area. When the menu appears, click Customize Toolbar. This will open a new customization tab where Firefox shows you all the available buttons and icons you can add to your browser. Now look through the list of icons until you find the print icon. It usually looks like a small printer, so it should be easy to spot. Once you find it, click and drag that print icon up to the toolbar section. You can place it wherever you want it to appear for easy access. For example, you might want it near the address bar or close to your other commonly used tools. As soon as you drop it into place, Firefox will keep it there so you can use it anytime. After you've positioned the print button exactly where you want it, go to the bottom right corner of the screen and click Done. This saves your toolbar changes and exits customization mode. Now, if you look at your Firefox toolbar, you should see the new print button ready to use. From here on, whenever you want to print a page, all you have to do is click that icon instead of going through extra menus. It's a quick and convenient way to make Firefox work better for your workflow. If you found this video useful, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more helpful Firefox and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.